In this video, I'll show you how to hide a product in Squarespace. Now, once you were on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to your navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to hover and click on Products and Services. Once you do that, few options will show below the Products and Services. What you want to do is head over to the bottom and click on Products. Once you were on your products page, you will see all of your products that are available. And at the top of the product, on the right hand side, you will see the option for visibility. Now, under visibility, you will see that my product is set to public. If you hover your mouse onto the public tab, you will see that a drop down will show on the right hand side. Simply click on the drop down, and in here, you will have three options: either set it to public, hidden, or scheduled. What you want to do is hide this, so simply click on hidden. Once you do that, it will automatically show under visibility that this product is hidden. Now, to make sure that it is hidden, head over to the left-hand side and onto your website. What you want to do is simply head over to the top and right-hand side and click on preview. Now what you want to do is head over to your store page. This will be on my main navigation. And as you can see, the product is now hidden. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.